When you eat tomatoes raw, toxic substances can be released. Were you aware that consuming them incorrectly could even lead to diseases such as dementia and pancreatitis? Recently, there was a significant issue with food poisoning related to cherry tomatoes. We've gathered only the most essential information for you. Today, let's properly understand tomatoes, your beloved superfood. This is especially important now, as there has been an incident where children who ate cherry tomatoes served in a meal showed symptoms of food poisoning, such as vomiting and diarrhea. Thus, it's crucial to watch this video till the end. We will inform you about the benefits of tomatoes, how to consume them correctly, and what to be cautious about. Tomatoes are considered one of the top 10 health foods in the world due to their various benefits. Firstly, tomatoes are rich in minerals and vitamins, which greatly help in strengthening bones. Particularly, they contain a lot of vitamin K, which prevents calcium from being excreted from the body, thus significantly improving osteoporosis. If you consume a lot of flour-based foods, processed foods, or acidic foods, your body expels calcium to maintain homeostasis. Tomatoes help prevent this calcium loss, thus strengthening your bones. Moreover, tomatoes contain lycopene, a component that eradicates major causes of cancer. Lycopene, found in tomatoes, has antioxidant effects that help eliminate free radicals, the primary cause of cancer, thus greatly aiding in its prevention. Lycopene also lowers cholesterol and prevents aging in cells and blood vessels. According to research by the Harvard School of Public Health, these components can increase the prevention effect on hormone-related cancers such as prostate, breast, and colorectal cancers by more than 30%. Furthermore, frequent consumption of tomatoes aids in dieting, weight control, and obesity management. They are low in calories and rich in water and dietary fiber, providing a sense of fullness with a small amount and effectively reducing direct sunlight exposure. Additionally, the organic acids in tomatoes stimulate metabolism and help eliminate fatigue substances, thus actively improving intestinal activity. This can aid in preventing constipation and promoting fat burning. Research indicates that over 20% of people who practiced a tomato diet experienced significant weight loss. Although consuming raw tomatoes is beneficial, their thick cell walls can reduce the absorption rate of lycopene. Consuming them in different ways can maximize absorption, aiding in blood pressure management and diabetes prevention. Normally, many people consume raw tomatoes by slicing them, but research shows that heating tomatoes before eating is much more effective. Heating tomatoes releases lycopene from the cell walls, increasing its absorption rate in the body. In fact, the absorption rate of lycopene from tomato sauce is up to 5 times higher than that from raw tomatoes. Here's an additional tip: since lycopene is fat-soluble, consuming it with nuts like walnuts or peanuts, which contain unsaturated fatty acids, can help absorb all the beneficial components. It's recommended to consume about 2 tomatoes or 15 cherry tomatoes per day. Especially when making tomato puree, it's convenient and easy to apply in various recipes. To prepare the puree, peel the ripe tomatoes and simmer while mashing through a sieve. When peeling, making a cross-cut on the raw tomatoes and briefly dipping them in hot water before peeling in cold water makes it easier. You can use the prepared tomato puree in stews, soups, and sauces. Particularly, cooking or preparing tomatoes with olive oil can triple the absorption of lycopene, according to research. Remember, when cooking acidic ingredients like tomatoes, cook them quickly or use stainless steel cookware to avoid aluminum from cookware dissolving into the food, which can lead to toxic substances causing anemia, dementia, and pancreatitis. Finally, especially during seasons with significant temperature fluctuations, it's crucial to be mindful of food poisoning. There have been instances where children experienced symptoms suggestive of food poisoning, such as vomiting and diarrhea, after eating cherry tomatoes served in meals. The Ministry of Agriculture, Food, and Rural Affairs and the Food and Drug Administration identified the component tomatine as the cause. The level of tomatine, which can influence these symptoms, depends on the ripeness and temperature of the tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes grown in low temperatures may produce excessive tomatine, leading to food poisoning symptoms. Therefore, choosing fresh and well-ripened tomatoes for safe consumption is very important. When selecting tomatoes at the market, choose those that are red, well-ripened, without any surface damage or deformities. If you experience a strong bitter taste or unusual symptoms after eating tomatoes, it's advisable to immediately report to the Food and Drug Administration's hotline at 1399. Today, we have learned about the correct ways to consume tomatoes, their benefits, and precautions. As tomatoes are a favorite food for many, we hope you can fully enjoy their benefits through effective consumption methods. Stay healthy and informed until next time.